Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like this look, please keep on watching, like, subscribe, and comment down below. This look, I'll be using the January Boxycharm, and the first product I'll be trying is the Tatcha Dewy Luminous Mask. And I'll be leaving the mask for 15 minutes. Product I'll be trying is the Briego Live-In Conditioner Spray. Primer, I'll be using the Maybelline Babyskin. For foundation, I'll be using the Maybelline New York Super Stay in the shade Classic Ivory. The brush I'm using is from Cosmetics, and it's a small stipple brush. The next product I'll be trying is the $1 Billion Brow Pencil. Concealer, I'll be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus in the shade Light Ivory. The next product I'll be using is from Cosmetics, and it's the Clear Brow Gel. The palette I'll be trying is from Tarte, and it's the Rainforest of the Sea palette. For transition, I'll be using this light shade. Now going in with this light brown shade. Now I'm going to be cutting the crease with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in the shade Light Ivory. And I'll be applying this grayish eyeshadow. Going back with the light brown shade, I'm going to be applying it in the outer corners. Now I'm going to be using this brown shimmery color in the outer corner as well. For liner, I'll be using the Wet n Wild Megaliner. The lashes I'll be applying are from Lashaholics, and it's the Instagram false lashes. For contour, I'll be using the Wet n Wild contour stick in the shade Call Me Maple. Setting powder I'll be using is from Earthbrun, and it's the translucent powder. Going back with the light brown shade, I'll be applying it under the lash line. The inner corner, I'll be applying this shade. For the blush, I'll be using the Pretty Vulgar Make Them Hush blush. For highlight, I'll be using the Wet n Wild in the shade Blossom Glow. More shimmery, I'm gonna be applying the Cover FX glitter drops in the shade Nova. The lip product I'll be trying is from Ofracosmetics, and it's the liquid lipstick in the shade Miami Fever. Back with the shade, I'll be applying it on the brow bone. Mascara, I'll be using the itcosmetics Superhero. So this is the end of my tutorial. Hope everyone enjoyed, and please like, subscribe, and comment down below what your thoughts were about this tutorial, and thanks for watching.